Hi, my name is Dylan. I'm a machine design engineer here at Tormach, and today I was cutting a U-joint as a personal project. A few weeks ago, a couple of my buddies reached out to me at the University of Illinois to machine some parts for them and the University of Illinois Baja team, so I told them that I would machine 8 of their U-joints. The U-joints go in the drive line of their Baja car, so there are 4 of them that actually go on the car and then 4 of them that'll be replacements or spares.
I'm ready.
You want me to go wash it off?
Sure, that might be good, yeah.
Okay.
Check out all of our latest videos here, and for more metalworking tips, tricks, and stories, subscribe to the YouTube channel.